In this video, we are going to combine three things into one image: a character, a background, and a visual style. Just references and one prompt. If you have ever wanted to keep one character, place them in a completely different scene, and apply the look of another image, this is exactly how to do it in getimg. Let's jump in. We are inside getimg.ai. One of the most powerful things here is that you are not limited to just one reference image. You can combine multiple references and tell the AI what role each one should play. In this example, we will use one reference for the character, one reference for the background, and one reference for the style. The final result will be one cohesive image built from all three. First, I'm adding the character reference. This is the person I want to keep in the final image. This reference gives the AI the subject, the face, the overall appearance, and the identity of the character. So, if you already have generated character you like or a specific visual you want to build around, this is where you start. I click Add Reference and upload the character image. That tells getimg this is the person I want to preserve. Next, I'm adding the background reference. This image defines the location or environment where I want to place the character. It could be a city street, a beach, a futuristic room, a forest, or any scene you wanted. I upload that as the second reference. Now the AI understands not just who should appear in the image, but also where the scene should happen. So at this point, we already have the character and the location. Now I add the third reference, the style image. This one controls the visual look of final result. It tells the AI what kind of image language to follow. For example, cinematic realism, anime, editorial fashion, painterly art, or illustration. So this reference is not about who appears in the image. And it's not about where the scene happens. It's about how the final image should look. I upload that as the third reference. Now we have the full setup: character, background, style. And I will write the prompt. A simple version would be: keep this character, place them in this location and in the style of this illustration. You can also make it a bit more specific. Keep this character, place them in this background, and render the final image in the style of this illustration with cohesive lighting and composition. The important thing is clarity. You want to tell the AI what to keep, what to combine, and how the final image should feel. Then I click Generate. And here is the result. Now we have one final image that combines all three sources: the character from the first reference, the location from the second, and the visual style from the first. That's what makes this workflow so powerful. You are not relying only on text descriptions. You are actually art directing the result with reference images. This is useful for storytelling, concept art, brand visuals, social media content, campaign ideas, and anything that would be hard to describe with text alone. It's also much faster than writing one huge prompt. Instead of describing everything in detail, you show the AI what you mean. So the workflow is simple. Add the character reference, add a background reference, and add a style reference. Write one prompt that explains what to keep and what to combine. Then just generate. If you want to try it yourself, click the link in the description and test it in getimg.ai. And if this video helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below. What you would combine first, a character, location or a style? See you in the next video.